Hey, it's Leah, and today I'm going to talk about using an all-in-one marketing website to do landing pages, opt-in pages, SEO, opt-ins, email marketing, and so much more. Here you can reach me on Facebook. My name is Leah Fike, and let's get started. Down below here on my page, I want to show you right now, it is a try before you buy, and you can get started today. So let me find that for you. Right here, you'll be able to go ahead and use the Nowsite website challenge. Right now is the best time to get in because it's an opportunity for you to try before you buy. So get with our nerds that help you build a website and decide yes or no if you'd like to continue with the software and learn how to make unlimited websites for any business that you like. Here on my website, you'll be able to see that. How would you like the Nowsite to build you a website right before your eyes for free, as you pay nothing until it's done, and after, if you like it, you only pay $47 to get started. Absolutely amazing. So I want to be able to show you this where you can join along and have an emailer, SMS platform, CRM, team section, retargeting, social blaster tool, unlimited landing and capture pages, unlimited websites, SMS marketing, and so much more. So let's get started. Let's jump over to the website and see what that looks like. Right here, when you log in and want to be part of the affiliate program and make residual income, this will actually show you a countdown. So I have 17 more days to make it to my third active member. So that will allow me to go ahead and keep my product for free and also earn an income. But that's not the best part about this. On the far left-hand side, this will give you anything from analytics, online ads, websites, email campaigns, social marketing, SMS campaigns, and add your contacts, be part of teams and broadcast. You have your analytics right here, so you can see how you're doing. Over here, you can go ahead and create your online ads and create those to go ahead and retarget. You also, which is my favorite, is doing the websites. Here you can look at them as view, conversions, by the date. I always go by the name, it's easier for me. But as you scroll down, you can see I have pages of websites, and you can create your own names, or you can go out and get a domain. This no longer requires a domain because you can use these and they are secured already for you. So all you have to do to make those websites, let's jump into one here. So I'll jump into the one I do for making leads. Right here, you can go to the far left-hand side, click on the edit button, and you can change and alter anything inside of these pages. So you can make them as fancy or as less information as you like, and grow and expand your business with your branding. So right here, this allows you to go ahead and learn more about me. Right here is my social media, goes direct to my pages, and allows you to join an opportunity and create your pages. Maybe you already have an opportunity, you just need to create a page. All you have to do is just come in here and get started. Now, there is absolutely amazing training down here in the lower corner. You can ask for help. You can get technical support, hire a Nowsite nerd. Right there, it lets you know I did have an appointment with one of our commission support, so just tell me how commissions work. Right here is training and resources. So it has a step-by-step process showing you all the information that's in here. So how to make a website, how to send an email, how to make an ad, how to make a social post, analytics, teams, done for you, how to set up SMS, and a website builder. So if you just go in here, click on play, It'll give you the step-by-step information right in here how to create a website. All the training is right here. Also, there is an amazing training, additional training and information each and every week. So you can plug in and click on these. When is this going to happen? All you have to do is just click on it and go. So all the information is right here. There's no lack of training. If you need help, there's always support in this corner, and you can ask for help there. But most of your information is right here in creating those website analytics. How do I do this? How does it work? Anything like that. The absolute amazing part of Nowsite Marketing is the pricing. Here you can do it $47 per month. Also gives you plus one time, so it's a $40 fee to start, $47 a month, and a 60-minute website design meeting. All you have to do is click on Get Started. If you'd like to save additional money like myself, I go ahead and pay for the annual, and then it's only $37, and you get all those tools. It's a website builder, SEO, email marketing, CRM. You do have it on your phone. It's an in-house marketing experts, amazing support, and detailed analytics, all for one low price of $47 per month, or pay it annually and save way more, $10 per month, and get started. If you have any questions, please let me know. Go ahead and subscribe. I'll go ahead and do more of these videos as I move forward, and let me know what questions you have so I can show you how this works. Thank you for your time. Appreciate your efforts in learning more about branding and growing your own business. I'll see you on my next video. Have a wonderful day, and bye for now.